Today, we're going to look at present continuous to talk about the future. English speakers often use the present continuous to talk about future arrangements. Now, a future arrangement is a plan that you've decided and organized with another person or group. For example, I'm spending Christmas and New Year with my mom and dad. We're meeting Susan at 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. We are meeting. There's a suggestion that more than one person is aware of the event and that some preparation has already been made. Here are more examples. I'm meeting Jim at the airport. Jim and I have already discussed this. I'm leaving tomorrow. I've already bought my train ticket. We're having a staff meeting next Monday. All staff members have been told about this meeting. We can also use the question form. Is she seeing him tomorrow? Here, seeing means meeting. Other examples, he isn't working next week. So there's an understanding or an agreement that has already been made. They aren't leaving until the end of next year. We are staying with friends when we get to New York. But be careful. The simple present is used when a future event is part of a program or timetable. So look at the difference between these two sentences. We're having a staff meeting next Monday. It happens one time. Versus, we have a staff meeting every Monday. So if it's every Monday, we use present simple. If it's a one-time event, then we can use present continuous. Sometimes the arrangement is between a person and a group of people, or an organization, or a company. I'm working over the new year. This arrangement is between myself and my employer. They are flying to New York tomorrow morning. They have made this arrangement with the airline. As you can see, it is not always necessary to state who the arrangement is with. Sometimes it's understood, other times it's not. Look at these examples. So what are we all doing at Christmas? I'm flying to England for a few days. I'm looking forward to a nice Christmas. Another very popular use of present continuous, as English speakers often use the present continuous to talk about what we are about to do. This is especially common with verbs of movement, such as go, come, or leave. I'm going to bed now. Good night. Will you help me finish the housework? Sorry, I can't. I'm leaving for work now. And finally, we often use present continuous for time expressions. Not always, but often. Let's take a look at a few examples. I'm working over the new year. They are flying to New York tomorrow morning. So what are we all doing at Christmas? Some of these examples look familiar. I'm going to bed now. So let's recap or summarize what we've learned in this video. But before we do, remember to like the video if you did like it, subscribe, and click on the notifications and tell your friends about this series. As a summary, present continuous is used in the future when we talk about future plans that have been arranged, or often with time expressions such as tomorrow or Saturday or even next year. And when you are about to start to do something. I'm glad that you already started watching this beginner series. And if you've missed the earlier videos, go back and look at some of them. They are very helpful. And especially for those who are learning English, if you have friends who are beginners, tell them about this video series. Thank you and see you soon.